I knew you were gonna do that, Beth. I was like,
You knew it was coming.
I did.
What are we doing today?
Going skydiving out of a helicopter.
Out of a helicopter. You excited?
I'm super excited. Never been in a helicopter. My first time I'm gonna jump out of one.
Hell yeah.
Pretty amazing.
Can't wait. Let's fucking do it.
All thanks to you. Holy.
Okay, good. I don't care as long as they get out there.
What do you guys think?
So I'm gonna go get the.
I don't like it.
Do you want me to go get Kai and Caylon out here?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have our first customer for skydiving.
Hi,
helicopter.
Rachel. Nice to meet you.
When the weather open, yeah.
I know. This is so sick.
Is it regulation?
Awesome. How cool.
It's gonna be the same, just mirror, yeah.
In my camera. I just met her today. Rachel, what's going on? How you doing, man?
I'm great. I'm so excited.
You're so excited. What are you doing today? Something pretty special.
I am jumping out of a helicopter.
A helicopter with my man Kai over here. We're going for a scenic flight with a happy ending over the north shore of Oahu, taking you up in a flash turbine helicopter to 8,000 feet, maybe a little bit more. Gonna do a sub-terminal exit, which is something very few people get to experience. What do you think? Are you stoked?
I'm stoked.
All right. We got Kai, we got you. I'm from Jersey, you're from Jersey. Let's go make some magic, all right? Peace out. What did you think of that? Oh my gosh. That's awesome. That's sick.
That was fucking insane.
Nice. Yeah. Guys, get together for a picture real quick. Holy smokes, dude. I don't know about you guys, but my hand's like shaking mad.
That
That's awesome. Rachel, 8,000 feet, you just jumped out of a turbine helicopter worth above the, I can't even talk, over the North Shore of Oahu. Man, we were like 5 miles out to sea there.
Jesus Christ.
What'd you think of that, dude?
I would pay again. I have to do that shit
We should do it
again.
again. Get to the chopper. Nice. Do it again. Oh.